welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video, guys. So we are on our way to San Diego, La Jolla to be exact. We're gonna go visit Agara. It's actually been a minute since we've been there, but they have a vehicle that looks quite interesting. It is a very nice day out here. Welcome to La Jolla, California.
Energy is fire. Conversation is right. If you stay tonight, baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwined in our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I be lying. I'll read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than
You know you have made it to Agara when you pull up and there's just nothing but exotics outside, yo. What a life. So here we made it to Agara out here in San Diego, and if you're into supercars, this is literally supercar heaven, yo. We have Huracan, STO, we got the Storado, the new, I think I'm saying that right, the new Storado, right? Like, I'm not like the most knowledgeable when it comes to like supercars and stuff like that, right? But I am a true car enthusiast, so like obviously when I see a car, right, like the little kid inside of me comes out, right? Like especially like this STL, bro. This is insane right here. We have the exposed carbon on the hood, on the fender. It's you can see it like on the door card. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the reflection, but like on the door card, it looks like it is like a dry carbon. Absolutely insane, bro. Huracan Storado. Basically, it's going to be an off-road Lamborghini from Lamborghini themselves, from the factory, right? So it comes lifted already. I believe underneath is like a whole entire skid plate. So this is basically meant to like do off-roading, right? Let's see the price point. Yeah. It's off-roading lights in the front, which I think is pretty cool. But let's talk about the fact that you have no rear view. You gotta depend on those, dog, and if you can't see out of those, then you're pretty screwed. Then we have a Bugatti Chiron. So it looks blue, right? It's a blue car, obviously. It is full carbon fiber. So this car actually is not for sale. This is actually a client's car. I believe they said it's based out of Texas. So this car is not for sale, bro. The fact that somebody owns this car is absolutely insane. Like I can't even fathom that, right? This is like I would probably guess to say it's probably like 4 million.
Let it be known, I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke, I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV, it coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a variant or an experience. You gotta get up and do what it do.
And it's blocked off for a reason, right? Like it's easily like a 12-foot distance between this and the car. But I want to go over there and get the wing because like look how, dog, that's just insane. But I mean, it's understandable, right? Like a $4 million car, they're just not gonna let you walk up on it, and the fact that it's sold, right? So it only makes sense. To be in the presence of a car of this caliber is insane, to say the least. This is art for somebody that like is not into cars, doesn't know anything about cars. Like they wouldn't understand. Like this is art, yo. Like, and everything's carbon fiber. Like look, even the blade, not the blade, but like the windshield wiper arm is carbon fiber, right? The body itself is blue carbon, and then the bumper is black carbon. Inside of the headlight is carbon. Dog, this is crazy. Let me get them angles for you guys though. Look at that. Yeah, man, this is crazy. I'm right here and I can't believe it. We just came out from McLaren, and the thing is I didn't want to film. I didn't want to like make too much noise or like talk. because there are people in there working and I didn't want to disturb them. But there is an orange McLaren Elva. To be honest with you guys, I didn't even know what it was until like a couple days ago, but it's like one of, I think it's like 149. It really looks like those carts that are in SF that you drive around the city that are, I guess, street legal. The car looks crazy, and the thing is, I wonder if it is like, well, it has to be street legal because they're selling it, so it has to be street legal, but it's like it doesn't have a windshield, so it's like if you flip, what's gonna happen? Also, I know you guys hear me say it all the time, but I honestly have no idea what's happening out here, bro. It is like 75 to like 80 degrees out here, and it doesn't make sense because we're in December. Like, why is it this hot? Like, jeans was not the move today. I should have worn shorts. I'm not even gonna give you guys a whole spill about being back one day and all that stuff, because you guys already know. Like, I come here to film and to manifest. That is it. Drive an hour and 11 minutes just to travel 36 miles. Oh man, welcome to SoCal. Oh, ooh, you guys witnessed that. Apparently I don't know how to drive. La Jolla is definitely one of my favorite cities in San Diego. Good weather, beach vibes, exotic cars. Like, there's not much more you can ask for other than no traffic. When one of the top dogs at O'Gara, so actually, before I continue with my statement, it's pronounced O'Gara. Just wanted to clear that up. I thought it was O'Gara, but apparently it's pronounced O'Gara. But one of the guys there was complimenting me on this car, saying how sick it was, this and that. And I was like, bro, like, trade me, you know, like, trade me this car for one of those cars. I'm just kidding. I would never trade this car in for a supercar. I wish you guys could experience how this car feels, though. You hear it, but you don't really hear it. Like, it sounds so much better in person, I'm telling you. Regardless of any car I get from this point on, I'm always gonna compare it to this car, always. 100%. Like, the way that this car sounds, the way that it feels, like, just everything, I'm just gonna compare. Now, the only thing about this car that I would change, which I still gotta figure out why it is, which I think I know why, but it has like a heavy feel in the front, and I think it's only because we have 285s in the front, but it could be a little bit more tight, right? Like, I don't want to say it's sloppy, but it's just like, I don't know, I feel like it could be a little bit more like stiff, like tight. So we do have to like figure that out. I don't know if it's because like I need to get arms or whatever. Listen to this downshift. Wait, hold on, I'm not done. Hold on. Kind of waited a little bit longer for that one, but it's just, this car is just, and everybody else here definitely agrees with me. And the thing is, like, I don't really show it all the time, but as I'm driving, I'm constantly getting thumbs up or people like staring or like smiling. And yes, this car still needs an oil change, but I think we just gonna wait on that one. We had to stop to get gas, of course, or excuse me, E85, because it's not considered gas. Guys, it is below $3. Life is getting good. Yo, I filled up with 40 bucks. What? Don't talk to me. I've been telling you guys, I found a new love for watching the sunset at the beach. We're barely gonna make it. I think it sets like at 4:48. It's like 4:38. So we have like 10 minutes to find parking and to find a good view. But bro, it looks so sick. Came to watch the sunset, but the freaking clouds are in the way, bro. So we're technically not getting like the full experience, but it still looks cool, I guess. And we are back at home. So in the next video, we are going to be modifying a car. That's all I'm gonna say. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.